It's a raid. Put your hands up. Please don't peck us to death. Give me all the chips. Okay, okay. Hurry up. Okay, okay. More. Okay, okay. No, police. Hello, I'm Sergeant Plod. What happened? We was robbed by a giant seagull wearing a mask. Okay, we will search the area.
Have you seen a giant seagull wearing a mask?
Are you really that thick? No, I haven't, officer. But what about Fatty Bum Bum outside the brothel?
It must be him. Arrest him.
Eh well, I'm off.
You are under arrest for robbing the chip shop.
Jolly, jolly, Fatty Bum Bum ate all the chips.